Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so home screen is already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible right now on your screen, and once that's the case, all you will need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a sound along with the flash and a pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment this will disappear. So once it disappears, you can find your screenshot by going into your Photos application, and typically you would be located in the Photos tab. So you want to navigate to Collections and then select Screenshots, and you can see here are the screenshots. I believe this one will be the one that I have just captured. So 556, yep, so that's the one. So you can see there's the screenshot that I've just captured a moment ago. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.